It's gonna be even hotter next week. Drain plugged up again. This famous 60-foot condensate line. It's about 60 foot long. It's a pile of shit design. Should have ran that thing like bam, 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 easy. But it's condo land. This is still wet. Anyone knows where you get insulation for these things? This is still damp from when I whole thing blocked up over there like a year ago. I know I'm good now because I poured vinegar down there. I open the cap, I see it running down and through the line. So I'm not plugged in that corner. I had an internal clog, which is kind of rare. Like a year ago, cleaned that out very well. No matter what I do with the line, it kept on plugging up, just filling out the pan rather. I gotta put rust converter on there too in that pan. It looks worse than what it is. Vinegar kind of kills it too. But if anyone knows where you get that stuff, let me know. It's just clipped on with those bracket things to hold it down. The wire. You can probably pull it mostly out without removing whatever the freak that is over there, the little air duct. Yeah, it's dusty in here. Dirty. Safety switch, but what I'm showing you in this video for a minute now. Pan tablets, Home Depot. I'm just gonna throw some down there. It's been about a year. See a little mold over there growing. Not on the coil though, the coil's clean. The side of the coil looks absolutely terrible though because it's really rusted. You kind of see it over here. If I put the camera, where's the camera on this thing? And there, through that hole. Oh my god. Oh my god. So you make them out of steel. But pan tablets, no one ever really does it. I'll have to pause this because it's going to get dark without my headlamp. I could put this light on though too, hold on. That might help somewhat. For the time being. Let me open these. Throw them down there. And maybe it'll stop the shit in the line. Pan tablets, no one ever really does this. And a homeowner can do it if you like to take apart your AC. Which I like to now because it's not worth calling someone for $80 to do this. Do it yourself. It's just a ream. It's just 1/4 inch. Those things get rusty too. I put grease and I think anti-seize on those little screws. It gets very very humid up here, so it condensates bad. What the hell? Open this up. Pan tablets. Home Depot. I should look into being a Home Depot affiliate because I buy so much from them. Probably better than the world's largest retailer. You can guess who they are. And that's pretty much who I've been linking to, and they have bad service. Look like dog treats. Don't give them to the dog. But just put them down there as deep as you can. Skate them down there. Try to keep them flat. And basically throw them in the pan. Pan, which is right here. That's a drip pan. Right there. Could go one or two ways, I believe. So the bottom of it, if it was standing upright, or it's for the lay down position, yeah, you put it that way. Then when it overflows, it pisses on all its insulation. It looks terrible. Where do you get that insulation from? I don't have my headlamp on, but it's down there. It's in there somewhere. Little tablet. Can't see, it's down there though. And there you go. What does it say? 2 to 4. I put like 3.5 in. Yeah, this thing's POS. Put it back together. Door on. Done. Safety fuse thing, whatever I do with it. This thing got corroded once when we had extended power outage. It turned back on until I cleaned it up. I had corrosion on it from the moisture for a week. Nice. Look at this thing's dripping. Not that. And then when you have the tablets in, check on where your thing drains. And you know that it's flowing because the water turns blue. Yeah, so they do work. I used them. It was clean for like a good 6 or so months. They also make them, they look like little dog treats, little square things. I don't have that style. Alright, links in the description. Until it works because that bucket that was all slime in the bottom, you see it's all mostly gone. that was thick yesterday and almost all gone. So the tablets do work.